Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook original sisig. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for this classic Filipino dish. You will need 1 kilogram of pork jowl and belly, 2 large onions, and 1 cup of calamansi juice. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of minced ginger, and 3 fresh chilies. For that signature creaminess, have 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of butter ready. These components are key to an authentic and delicious sisig. Next, let's prepare the pork, which is the heart of our sisig. First, boil the pork jowl and belly until it is very tender, typically for 45 minutes to 1 hour. After boiling, grill or pan-fry the pork until it becomes wonderfully crispy and slightly charred. Then, carefully dice the cooked pork into small, uniform pieces, about 1/4 inch cubes. This meticulous preparation guarantees the perfect texture and depth of flavor for your sisig. Now, it's time to bring all those amazing flavors together. Begin by sautéing the minced onions and ginger in 2 tablespoons of butter until they are fragrant and softened. Add the diced pork to the pan, mixing everything well to combine the flavors thoroughly. Next, pour in the 1 cup of calamansi juice and 1/4 cup of soy sauce, stirring constantly. Finally, incorporate the 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and 3 chopped chilies for that creamy, spicy kick. The final step is serving your incredible sisig. For an authentic experience, transfer the sisig mixture to a sizzling hot plate. This adds a wonderful aroma and keeps the dish warm. You can garnish it with additional chopped chilies and a fresh calamansi wedge if you like. Serve your delicious sisig immediately with steamed white rice for a truly complete and satisfying meal. Enjoy this classic Filipino dish with your family and friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.